Hi, welcome to Group HD. So the new game from Outfit 7 is here, the Talking Tom Jetski 2. But the Talking Tom Jetski 1 or Talking Tom Jetski has not those many options. Like we have two characters and just the things like we need to use the jet ski in the water like that. So here we can see the thing. Like now here there are so many characters. Before that is Tom, Angela. Now we can see Hank too. So here, okay, maybe this is just the run. So like this you need to reach the point here. Wow, so what is this? So again they introduced some kind of construction thing, like we need to construct some like this kind of house in the like in the beach. So yeah, we have so many new things. So two players here. So collect the coins and reach the thing, like they'll be given like in a race, first, second, third race, and I got the common chest kind of thing. So let's open this. So seems like a bigger game and we can have so many things here. So I got 100 coins and again, wow, what are these gems? I think gems. Oh, super splash. So like this we have so many things in this. Okay, we can upgrade this so that we can go faster. Oh, now we have 3 players. Ah.
No.
So like that. So the in every game there will be like the first few levels are easier. So this is, there are 2 more chests available. The race chest. What is this? Okay, you need to collect these kind of flags. And the free one, this is the common one. So again we got coins, gems, and the super splash. One more thing, new jet ski epic. Wow. Oh, okay, so in 5 more minutes again one more thing will come. So let's see the other things here. Okay, the new one. So we can replace this thing, you can select. And what are these? Okay, there will be like the maps, the Angela's beach resort, Hank's surf shack, Ginger's sand castle, Ben's science lab. Wow. So like this they changed the thing, like again we can build the thing. And okay, Again we can build the thing and unlock that other character like that. So a little bit like again the Tom Gold run, and again we can get this kind of chest. If you want to open it, you need 5 gems, but I am okay. Let's try this. So we need like in the Tom Gold run the gold bars and diamonds here. Wow. So here we need like so here we need gems again. So one more new thing is available. Wow. So like there are so many things. Open just to unlock new jet skis. Wow, this is so cool. So let's select this new one and go.
Oh. Oh gosh. I bet it's gonna be a win.
Yes. Yeah, sometimes you can lose.
Oh shit, I got
That's
you.
okay. So one thing is you need to, wow, so many coins.
Oh, billion and trillion.
This time we have so many obstacles and everything here.
Yes.
Wow, we got the rages. Like it's a lot improved from Jetski. Every time, oh my god, I'm not going to open this thing.
Yes.
I don't have these kind of 15 gems. So, oh, we got 1 race flag. We need 4 more to open this rare race chest, we can see. So before that, every time when I reviewed the Outfit 7 games, I thought about the Jetski. The Jetski is not that much like not that much good game, but now we have everything. Like we can shop, we can buy the things, silver chest, gold chest, platinum chest, and we can buy the gems and everything here. Not only that, maybe we can have the complete the house to challenge your rival. So if you build this house, like if you complete building this house of Tom's Treasure Island, you can unlock the other thing like Angela's Beach Resort. So yeah, in the next video we can see all the things, like all 3 things. Hanks, what is the Hanks one? Hank's Surf Shack, Ginger Sand Castle, Ben's Science Lab. Oh my god, seems like a bigger game. So maybe we can see 1 or more things in the next video. So yeah.
The birds?
Yeah, so that's about the Tom Jetski 2. Cool new game. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.